Hi everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are well. Friends, today I'm going to share a simple tips with you, which is how you can use your phone WhatsApp app at your desktop or laptop portably without installing any software. Before starting this video, if you are new in this channel, then you can subscribe this channel, and if you already subscribed this channel, then many thanks to you. So let's start the video. Friends, for this process, first open your laptop or desktop web browser and go to whatsapp.com. Then click on WhatsApp web, or you can directly go to web.whatsapp.com. After that, go to your phone and open your WhatsApp app. Then go to settings, and here you can see one option, WhatsApp web or desktop. Go to this option, and here you can see the barcode scanner is open. Now with this phone scanner, scan this web barcode. I'm scanning this barcode, and here you can see my phone WhatsApp app now open on my laptop browser. Friends, for this process you no need to keep your phone and PC under same network. From this PC WhatsApp you can send and receive text, image or any kind of file. Friends, from here you can create new group, visit your profile, manage your archive, see your shared message, change your account setting, and you can log out. You can also change your profile picture from here. Guys, this is the portable desktop WhatsApp, but if you do not interested to use this portable version, then you can download WhatsApp desktop version from here, or you can go to whatsapp.com. Then download section, and here you can see both Windows and Mac version software available. Now guys, after using this portable desktop version WhatsApp, if you close this page or tab, then your WhatsApp account may not be logged out. Here you can see I close this tab, and if I go to whatsapp.com, and WhatsApp app web, here you can see my WhatsApp account is showing. So if you like to log out your account, then go to this option, then click on logout, or you can go to your phone WhatsApp, then settings, then WhatsApp web or desktop, and here you can see logout from all device. Click on this option and select logout, and here you can see my account is logged out from this web browser also. So that's it. I hope now you know how you can use your WhatsApp account portably at your desktop or laptop, and also manage your account. Guys, if you like this video, you can click on the like button. If you have any question or comment, then please comment below. I'll try my best to give your comment reply. Subscribe this channel for more upcoming video of this channel. So thanks for watching this video. Please stay safe at home. See you in the next video.